There is a new firmware update for Ultra, X100 Ultra. And that's the number. And I heard the vlog. We do have optimized video recording for the rear camera to improve the video recording experience, optimize the stability experience of the viewfinder to improve a picture stability, fix an issue when the camera cannot open or freeze. I don't have an issue like that. Optimize the compatible with third-party wireless headphones. I'm going to test that with the Samsung's network, optimized network ability and adaptivity and stability. I'm going to test that. Power consumption. Well, fix an issue. Abnormally display recent up. I didn't have that issue like that. More internal microphone and front-facing camera with full length of my arm. That is really nice. And also autofocus is greatly improved. Look how quick that is. And it's so quick, like in the Galaxy series. So wow, a huge improvement for the front-facing camera, also with video stabilization. Then I can to the wide-angle lens, and we'll give it to you. Wow. With wide-angle lens, you do have autofocus, and with main lens, you also have autofocus, and bokeh effect is really nice. Also with a telephoto, that's 5, and that's 20. Alright, maybe something like this license plate. There you go. Look how stable it is. The most important thing is, can I spy on my neighbors? Far we are, very far, and zooming, and then you will see the square, which is very stable after the firmware update. How stable it is, the whole thing is extremely stable. Wow, that's a rock steady. I'm holding the camera with my hand. That is very impressive. Alright, third-party headphones in. I got no issues with the sound. It's great. VIVO did it again, and now the autofocus and front-facing camera is fixed, and we can easily say this is the best camera smartphone in the world. Link in the description with an additional discount code in the description. See you next video. Bye.